Hi guys, thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you to all who watch my other DIY face mask video made from socks. And thank you so much to all who subscribe to this channel. An umbrella protects us against rain and also protects us from sunlight. So for this DIY, I'm taking my face mask to the next level using another type of fabric and making it safe and aesthetic. I'm showing you here an umbrella not because I want you all to grab all your umbrellas and destroy it and turn it into a face mask. Not all umbrellas are the same. Some are coated with acrylic and other chemicals, but this one I'm showing to you uses a fabric called nylon taffeta. Nylon taffeta is a very durable, lightweight fabric that is made to be water repellent and can protect us from ultraviolet rays. This type of fabric is also used mostly for babies' bassinets. You can easily buy nylon taffeta from any fabric store for less than $7 a yard. I'm just using a seam ripper to remove this nylon taffeta fabric from my umbrella because I want to use it as my mask, as my face mask, and I also love the prints. So you would need two 10x6 rectangular fabrics. You will need the nylon taffeta for the top layer and a cotton fabric for the inside layer. You can use a ruler to measure the 10x6 measurement, but here I'm using a canvas. So for this DIY, you don't really need to use a sewing machine. You can use a needle and a thread and sew them together. So for this DIY project, I wouldn't use a sewing machine. I'm hand sewing it using a needle and using a running stitch and securing all together on all sides and leaving a pocket so that I can insert a filter. So you can see here I'm using the edge of the fabric so I don't need any hemming. So I will be stitching around the sides and leave an opening to create a pocket so you can place a filter. After securing all the sides together and leaving an opening, you can turn the fabric inside and out. You can then start folding the fabric downwards and creating pleats and secure each end by using a bob pin or hemming the sides temporarily. You will be needing 2 hair elastics. Attach the hair elastics on each side and secure it by stitching or sewing. As you can see, I left an opening for a filter. You can either use a coffee filter or a vacuum cleaner bag filter. This is not only easy to make, it is washable, reusable, water repellent, and gives extra protection. So guys, I hope you're able to see how fairly easy it is to make this face mask using this type of materials. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.